Again! Ay! Ako na mo na ako. Ay, video mo.
What's up mga kupas? Today, we are practicing our festival dance. That's right, look around you. Kumel! Ano to? Isama mo na yan? Isama na rin? So, what you're seeing right now is those are the dancers and we are the props. That's right, we made that on our own. Yeah. Aku.
Uy, punasan mo yan lang. Sige, puta.
Sago ka. Uy, yung kulagin.
Uy, lang, punasan mo lang.
Inuman ko yan.
Uy!
Today is we are sleeping at the cemento with the foam, so we're going to rest and do again. Going to work again after we rest.
As you can see guys, we just finished 2 of the corns. We're gonna finish 2 more.
Ilas yun na! Ayan! Hindi na ako mag-effort dyan. Ilas ako. Okay, Mike, next. Buhok! Oy, buhok!
Sige na lo! Sige na!
Tayo naka-video.
You can see I'm sick but still foggy.
So this is day 2. We're gonna get serious. We're gonna finish this and hope.
We're gonna cook. As you can see, it's very hard working here because there's a wild dog, and the wild dog is playing basketball. Oh, what a wild dog! Che!
Good boys.
Go, binjo ko na pizza. Boy, straight lang. Ganyan mo kay Tol mo lang. Ito, Mel, pag ganun lang.
Lahat! Yan! Ganyan!
Sabi nyo. Oh my days ka talaga, girls. Sinusundan ko yung linya, sabi nyo. Oh my days. Hindi, sundan mo, girls, pero sa dulo may ganito dapat. Si Mako nga, boy! Bye!
So guys, we made a mistake. Yung mga kasama ko, mali yung ginawa nila. At ito yung ginawa kong line. Look how perfect this is compared to that. Bro, what have you done? Vince, what do you think of the paint?
I think that your painted is good. So, I guess that's good.
Ken, what do you think of the painting?
Look what you have done.
Look what you've done.
Look what I did. Look what I did, man.
What do you think of the painting?
Good and aesthetic. Aesthetic.
Aesthetic? Well, aesthetic ba ito, boy? So tired. We don't have any colors. We haven't done a single thing. This hasn't. So we're bored. We're gonna play Agwan base.
Boy, hindi pa nagbe-base si Vince. Bastaw na yan. Pwede yan. Pwede yan. Oh, diyan ba sa truck niya? Base. Out! Ang si Vince!
So ayun na nga guys, napagod kami.
Kaso namin eh. Hindi na yun eh. Ay, doon sa bahay, Kel?
We're done playing. Now we're going back. So I might be ending this because we're leaving. And I'll see you guys on day 3, which is
Day 2 pa lang po.
oh nga, day 3 book sa ano. I'll see you guys on day 3. Boom, we are back. Day 3.
What's up, Pupa Boys? Today, it's day 4.
Day 4?
Day 3. It is day 3 of our PETA in Mangmangi Festival. As you can see, get a close up there. It is day 3. Yes, sir.
Together with the boys.
My boys, stand up. My name is Bruce Lee. Shaolin. Lock ah. Hindi niya kailangan i-stream.
Meron mo sa GC yan.
Okay.
Meron ulit na naman. Oo, kamay siya. Tusok ko si Vince yan, boy.
Panda boy. Oh!
5, 6, 7. Hindi ka ako ang humawak, Late na kayo humawak, boy. Nilagay ko na. Alam mo, Kelvin, ano yan? Baka nyo dito. Kapal, pre.
Oh, itlog. Itlog na bilat. Mukha kayang itlog, lalo na si Vince. Sir, bawal ba yung ganito kataba? Yung hindi nagtutulungan. Kaya kung ako sa inyo guys,
Kaya nga ako sa iyo, guys.
make peace,
Make peace.
not war.
Not war.
Si Vince ay mukhang bunting.
Hindi, ano lang yun, Kelvin.
Diba? Tiga mukhang bunting. Dito ka na. Wala nga
Ay,
to.
ano?
Ikaw sana yung kasama
Boy,
ko
ikaw
paglipad
mag-del cutter,
ng
pati ikaw
aeroplano.
mag-gunting dito. Akala ko din cutter kami. Del cutter.
Close up sa pa ako. Close up sa pa ako. Green cutter.
Oh, di mo alam
Close
saan
up sa
maguguntingin.
pa.
Palaga talaga. Sabi din. Irak yun na po para ano na, guntingin ko na. Irak yun. Ang laki niyan,
Grabe ka kay Vince ah.
Ayan, Binso. Oh! Hindi, maliit pa yan. Kamay mo! Kamay mo! Ang laki beans. Maganda na yung sobra boy.
Si Vince lahat magbayad ng 400 daw.
The god of Egypt, leptospirosis.
What do you think of the...
Wang Ji, Xing Xing Ren Qing Lai Shang, Shu Xi Lai Xing Shang. Abay. It makes us uncomfortable. Uncomfortable? Uncomfortable.
Comfortable.
If the ball hit... Dinawa kayo.
Ulitin. Well, nakuha yung balim. Madilat!
So what's up guys? We just captured the rare yellow
Gorilla. Video ka ng video.
ang oy.
Ang lala!
Papel yan ko yan.
Wow! Tama na ako. Wait lang.
Day 4! That's right!
Yung bibilin sigurado ka.
Madami pa, hindi lang.
Madami pa, hindi lang yun.
Wala akong pera ba?
Say hi, say hi.
Lahat kaming props na bayad na.
Ngayon no.
Ito na, bibili na sila oh.
Bibili na.
Uy, huwag ka madaya boy. Grip.
Get
Uwi ka na sa bahay nyo.
Wala, pinapauwi ko na po yun.
Ano nyo yan guys?
Pangtali sa'yo boy. Tali ka na dito. Katayin ka na yung mga.
Pakatay ng baboy mo. Pakatay ng baboy. So, pakita mo yung pakatay natin.
Yung bola yung pakatay.
Baliktad pa guys.
Ay ko kayong lahat.
Video mo si Vince. Send mo siya.
Kuya Mark, ang laki niyan boy. Utik ka yan Kuya Mark. Wala ka.
Quickie.
Quickie shower balls. Don't stop filming my face.
Iblo ko yung labas niya.
Ibalik daw sa dati.
Kulit kasi itlog niya boy.
Ako tumulong ka boy. Tumulong ka.
Pagod na ako Mel.
Guys, as you can see,
Boy, yung blow na paint first.
we are making that And
Rupert!
Sige.
Hindi na lalagyan ng tubig
that
yan!
one. Yeah. Bro, anong ginawa nyo? What? What?
Sorry po to?
Lax, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Lax. Let me see your hands. Dog.
Oh, yung bola.
What a beans. What
yung bola.
a beans.
Bert, masih daw Bert.
Aray!
We got another box. Yan, si Clyde. Yan, ginawa ni Clyde yan. Buns!
Saya! Palit-pagin ka kami. Naiinis ka na, baba ko.
Boy, naging ano, kung kupandas.
Ka na, biken boy!
Vince, explain what you make. Oh, eh, pati ba ikaw? Galit ka din, oh, boy!
Vlog mo sa'yo, Vince.
Lack, explain your, what you made.
Ano pangalan doon?
That, what's that?
We're making green leaves because we're green flags.
Bisaya. Ha? Bisaya. Sinusukat mo ang wala ng pet na sa'yo ang, di ba? Sa akin sa'yo ang bagay.
Bro, we are so mad.
Sabihin mo, uy, wala daw yellow.
Nabili kayo.
Yan.
Ako. So, ayun na guys, we just finished 3. Yes, sir. Then corn. We just finished 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's not finished yet. Lucky, what have we all done?
What you mean? What you mean we? It's only me. I did everything. I made the basket. I made the styrofoam. I drew the cross. I got the water. I painted it. I carried it. I bought it. I did everything here alone while you guys are playing basketball and alone.
Nag-basketball ka lang. Day 5! That's right! Yes! So, as you can see guys, we are going to Lucky. That's right.
Don't run, dog. I told you don't run, bro. I told you don't run.
We got the basketball. We got the scissor. Mission complete. Yes. Today we are making the cross. Oh, okay, okay, not bad. Not bad. Who did that?
On my foot, bro.
On your foot? Yo!
Ay, gagawin mo to.
Jackson, that's dangerous. You put
Gosh, what are you eating? Is that onigiri, dog? So this is an hour later, that's right. Yes, sir. Ano yan, boy? Ano yan?
Dumikit sa balat yung noodle. Ay, sa buhok niya. Because I have finished almost everything. I did it all by myself. No one helped me through this journey.
Look, what are we making today?
They were making
This afternoon.
the thing that they hold when they put up the cross.
Okay.
The cross paint.
Okay, nice.
I'm not speaking good today because I'm currently sick. Kind of weak right now. My brain is not braining.
Let's go. Let's go. Dumating si Vince! Oink, oink! Yo, get down there, monkey. Are you the Monkey King? Yo, answer me.
Black baboon monkeys. Shit. Shit. Look at my freestyle, bro.
One more. One more.
Oh! Aura! Aura! Lakas ng aura. Ayun na nga, guys. It has been 7 hours. And we made this. We made a hole so that we can hold it in the front. That's right, Lester. Rate what we made.
Alright, this. I've seen more better things, so I'm gonna give it 0.1 out of 10.
Yeah, Vince, rate what we made. Rate that.
0.5.
Oh my kayo, boy. So ayun na guys, this is the last day of our festival dance practice. That's right. We are already finishing this. We are at 98%. Yeah, that's right. Wait, that's my phone.
For this video, we're going to dance and we're going to rap to beat the
Last vlog.
What's up? Amin sa pato kagabi. Vlog ni Melian, boy. Oh, boy.
Hello, Beng.
Vlogger na.
Last festival dance.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Pero wag kayo matagal magayos ha.
Bro, what you doing, dog? Patingin nga.
Criteria for judge. Mastery, 85%. Proper. Last but not least, the seniors.
Ako.
Siyempre, number 1. Siyempre, pinaghirapan natin. Hoy, video. Pinaghirapan natin. Pinagsisipikon natin. Kaya, magiging number 1 tayo. Tandaan yan. Pagtalo, good job.
sa tingin mo ang place natin?
Now, for the third place.
Documentation.
Bakit?
Ano sa tingin mo ang place namin?
First.
Last. Bro, I have a question.
my God.
Ano sa tingin mo ang place namin?
Siguro sa first. Kasi magaling kayo.
Last. Your last. Thank you for your time.
Samurai guy.
Oh, sorry sir.
Pagalitan boy.
Again. Wait. Wait. Mukha ni Gen. Now guys, last place. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Una, best in queen yun.
Best in queen. Kaya guys, nagkamali ako. Best at queen pala. Wala pa yung final results of our dance at Sino pa? Zero. Best. Best in costume na. Best in queen. Okay. Not bad.
Hey, let us call on Saint Ignatius.
Wait, let him go.
No reaction challenge.
Second place is a 1-2. Give it up for Saint Thomas of Florida.
Let's go! Second! Let's go! It's worth it. It's all worth it. What?
Backflip.
Oh God! Ay! Joker, pre, Joker. Oh, shit. Ay, Mel, kami dalawa, Mel. We made it to second place, that's right. I hope you like it, like and sub. It was all worth it.